In 1816, the world experienced a strange disaster. It became known as the Year Without a Summer. The cause was a massive volcanic eruption. In April 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia exploded. It was the most powerful eruption in recorded history. The blast was heard thousands of kilometers away. Tens of thousands of people near the volcano died instantly. But the real impact spread far beyond Indonesia. Ash and sulfur filled the atmosphere. These particles formed a global haze. The haze reflected sunlight back into space. Temperatures around the world dropped. By 1816, people everywhere felt the consequences. In Europe, June brought snow in Switzerland and France. The skies stayed gray and crops rotted in the fields. Farm animals starved and food prices soared. Bread riots broke out in cities. Some historians call it the worst famine in 19th century Europe. In North America, summer never arrived. Frost came in July and even August. Farmers watched entire harvests fail. Many families packed up and moved west in search of better land. The disaster helped push the migration across the United States. In Asia, the effects were equally severe. China faced massive famine as crops failed. India struggled with heavy floods and then cholera. The disease spread quickly, killing millions. The Year Without a Summer was not only about hunger and hardship, it also shaped culture in surprising ways. That gloomy summer in Switzerland, riders were trapped indoors by the cold and rain. They entertained themselves by telling ghost stories. From that gathering, Mary Shelley created the idea for her novel, Frankenstein. Lord Byron wrote the famous poem, Darkness, inspired by the dim skies. So one volcano changed not only the climate, but also literature and art. The Year Without a Summer reminds us of something important. Nature connects us all. A single eruption on one island affected millions across the globe. It caused famine, migration, disease, and even creativity. It shows how fragile human life can be, but also how resilient people are even in the darkest of times.